Hey everybody, Pete from Carpizzo's, and San Marzano tomatoes is where it's at today. You know, I make a lot of tomato sauce around here, marinara sauce. I make reductions. I use the sauce that I make. I call it my multi-purpose marinara sauce, okay? I use it all over. I put it inside lasagna. I put it on top for chicken parm. And you know, today, speaking of chicken parm, sometime in the near future, I'm going to make a chicken parm and I'm going to put smoked cheese on top, okay? Smoked cheese. So you're going to want to see that little video. But at any rate, San Marzano tomatoes, they cost a little more, but they're worth it. They come from the region in Campania in Italy, and if you can get them from there, the volcanic soil is great. It's just a color of red you don't see red like this, you know, and it tastes like volcanic soil and all the nutrients and things we like. So today, get yourself some San Marzano.
What brand is it?
And you can use Cento. We use Cento here in the house. And you can get them, you know, online at Amazon. Amazon has them. Get it from your local store. Get it wherever you want. I mean, really, do what you like. But in the end, get San Marzano. And we really think of you all the time. Remember to come and go as you wish, but subscribe to our pages because you're making us really happy people. And we really like it. Thank you very much. Pete